Incubus is more than just a sound system, it's an experience.
It's the best design of a sound system for me.
It's really difficult to explain the feeling that you get with this system.
It's one of the best systems in the world. It's
The journey started back in the springtime when I first heard NEEC, our distributor, was speaking with the owner here at Spook to do the install, and they were interested in these bad boys, the Incubus system, and it was an opportunity that we couldn't miss.
It's kind of like this living creature. You really feel it when you turn the system up. Everything is kind of represented in a very clean way, with each part of the system doing its job, from vibrating your eyeballs to sucking your chest in and out, and to just providing really great dispersion, really super clean transients. It's an experience to behold.
Es lógico, o sea, si quieres te enseño a la gente y cuando ya se pone encima me tira la cara.
Spook is one of the clubs of Ruta del Bacalao. It's a legendary group of clubs in Spain. They are ago 40 years more or less, and Spook is one of the more important in Spain clubs.
Esto de aquí la dije yo, no lo sé, el foto, lo ponemos y vamos por el... Pero...
Pues creo que la historia de Spook es muy especial porque durante 40 años ha sido histórico y creo que no hay muy pocos clubs en la historia de España que tengan el precedente que tiene este club.
For me, it's like a hi-fi sound. The visual of the equipment is different. Is the equipment perfect for Spook?
Analógico, un sonido muy crispy y muy potente, con un montón de presión en cabina, en pista. Hemos cubierto un montón de huecos en la pista y nada, el sonido es increíble, es increíble.
Amazing. That the bass is like boom, boom, boom. It's a big change. Yeah, it's good before boy, but it's amazing, man. You have to go to Spook and feel that. It's amazing. The vibe is different than the other discos in Valencia.